You need to unmute yourself, Ajaji. Nope, can't hear.
Okay, namaste. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you. Thank
Can
you.
you?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so dhanyawad. So we'll start with some of the Surya Namaskar extended flow. So just stay standing up only and come into the Surya Namaskar sthiti. So your feet together, palms forcing onto each other, wrist parallel to the floor, and these two thumbs are into your solar plex and concentrate on your nose tip. So this is the position you should always stay. This is also one of the asana. So keep breathing normal, breathing out, breathing in and breathing out. So we'll start with Surya Namaskar, but we'll do extra poses as well. So first one is Urdhvasana, Urdhva Namaskarasana. So up slowly from your nose, biceps onto your ear. Ear, bend nicely. Stay there for 5 seconds. Slowly stand up, hands up, lock your fingers up, Tadasana. This is the Tadasana, palm tree pose. Stay here for 2-3 seconds. You can do normal breathing, breathe out when you are in the position. Pull up like somebody is hanged you through your arms. Bend to the left side. Stay here for 2 seconds. Come back to normal up. Bend to right side. Come back to normal. Join your hands. Now we'll go to the right angle pose, Konasana. So just bend from your back up to 90-degree. Keep your arms together. Keep your knees unbent straight. So this is Konasana, right angle pose. We'll stay here for 2 seconds. Normal breathe in, breathe out. That means 2 breaths we have to stay here. Now slowly, hands close to your feet. Uttanasana, the actual Namaskar too. Go close to your knees, head, forehead close to your knees. Stay here for 2 breaths. You should feel nice stretch onto your calf and hamstring. We will do half Uttanasana, hands in front, 30 feet. Look straight, somewhere that end of the mat maybe. Back to again, close to your feet. Okay, now number 2, 3 is take left leg back. Take your left leg back. Look up nicely. You should feel nice stretch onto your lower back. So it should be nice curve from your head up to your lower spine back. Now just do Namaskar. This is Anjani Asana or low lunge position. Stay here for two breaths. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Now just stand up like this, 90-degree. Hands up, warrior 1, Virabhadrasana Prakar 1. Pull up, hands parallel to the floor and bend to your neck on the right side. This is warrior 2, Virabhadrasana Prakar 2. Stay here for 2 breaths. This the bent knee should be right 90 degrees roughly. Now we'll do reverse warrior, reverse Virabhadrasana. Left hand onto your knee and right hand up and look up. Stay here for 2 breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Now just windmill and left hand onto your right side. So make a windmill of your arms and look up. This is reverse side angle pose. Viparita Parshva Konasana. Look up towards your palm. 2 breaths. Now right hand onto right side of your feet and look up. This is the regular Parshva Konasana, side angle pose, the standard one. Hands down, back to Namaskar 3. Give nice stretch to your lower back. Now go to number 4, Chaturanga Dandasana, plank pose. Stay here for 10 seconds. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Your body should be nicely in one line, no hump, no down. Keep it straight. Most of the weight is on your arms. Now lift up one arm, left arm say, and right leg. Keep it straight. I'll just adjust. Keep it like parallel to the floor. 2 seconds. Down. Other arm and other leg, alternate one. So right arm. 2 breaths. Down. Now we'll do number 5. So your forehead, chest and knee touching the floor. This is a regular number 5. Ashtangasana. Here we'll get our palms between your groin, palm facing up, head up, feet up. Shalabhasana. Stay here for 2-3 breaths. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Forehead down, legs down. One more time. Up, legs and head up. Nice curve from your head towards your lower spine, all the way to the hill. It should be in one line. Nice curve basically. Arc. Go down. Get your hands out. Hands in the air. And again same. Head up, leg up. Like Superman. Stay here for 2 breaths. Forehead down, legs down. Take 1 breath. Again up, hands parallel to the floor. Head up, leg up. Okay, slowly down. Forehead down, hands next to your chest, both arms, palms. Now we'll do the number 6, snake pose, cobra, bhujangasana. Come up, your waist between your arms. Look up, your thighs and knees and other part on the floor. This is cobra pose, not upward dog. We'll just do 2 up and down. So forehead touch the floor. Come up, breathe in. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Stay here. Now we'll do Tiriyak. So look onto right side towards your heel. Try to look your heel. Back to normal. Onto left side. Look at your heels. Back to normal. Now just come onto your toe. No part of the body except your arms and toe touching the floor. And look up. This is upward dog. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Look up, nice stretch. Knees not touching the floor. 2 breaths. 1, 2. Okay, slowly go down, go up. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward dog. Keep some space between your feet. Nicely stretch on your shoulder. Keep your entire feet onto the floor. Lift up your right leg. Keep it straight. and bring it to your right elbow. Down, back again. Now bring it to your nose. Keep your arc like this, shoulder. To keep the curve. Up again. Now towards your left elbow. Hold. Back, up and down. Now lift up your left leg. Keep it straight. Towards your left elbow first. Two breaths. 1, 2. Up. Now bring your knee towards your nose. Keep the arc as it is. 2 breaths. 1, 2. Up, leg up again. Now towards your right elbow. 2 breaths. 1, 2. Go back. Up and down. Now get your left leg in front. This is opposite of the number 3 that we did. Your palms onto the floor. Nicely. Look up. Nice stretch from all the way to the head to your lower spine. Slowly make namaskar like this. Your knee onto the floor. Stay here for 2 breaths. Come up, knee in the air. Enter feet onto the floor. Hands up. Virabhadrasana Prakar 1. Nice stretch to your backbone, your shoulder, your arms. Now hands parallel to the floor. Look onto the left side. Your only head tilted towards left. Entire body is straight. Normal breathe in, breathe out. We'll stay here for 2 breaths. Keep doing, yeah, stay at least in for some time. Now reverse warrior, right hand onto your right knee, left hand up, look up. Look towards your fingers of the left hand. Now windmill, and then right hand onto right side, left hand up, and it is reverse Parshva Konasana, Parivarta Parshva Konasana, or reverse side angle pose. Look up towards your left hand. We'll stay here for 2 breaths. 1, 2. Now slowly left hand down onto the left side, right hand up. This is the regular Parshva Konasana, side angle pose. Look up. 2 breaths. Now hand down. Back to number 3 or number 8 of Surya Namaskar. Nice stretch onto your entire back, all the way from head towards the lower back. Nice curve. Number now, come close to Uttanasana. We'll do Dvikonasana. So get your arms folded, join together between your fingers and make 2 cones. One is your lower body, one is upper body. 2 angle pose. Slowly, hands down. Lift up right leg, standing split. Stay here for 2 seconds. 2 breaths. Get the right leg down. Now left leg up, slowly. Standing straight. Stay here for 2 breaths. Bring it down. Back to Namaskarasana. Just keep your hands down like this. Normal breathe in, breathe out. You can keep your eyes closed. Just get back all your energy from the universe. Do a deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Okay, again, hands close to the Surya Namaskar. We will be doing the first simple asana, Dhruvasana. So for Dhruvasana, lift up your right leg onto your groin and hands in Namaskar. Stay here for 2 breaths. Hands up, three pose, Vrukshasana. 2 breaths. Hands on side. This is the full tree, basically, like the mango tree or any banyan tree, which gives lots of shade. Again, keep concentrating on your nose tip. Hands back to your normal tree. Namaskar. Down onto your shoulder flex. Legs down. You change your leg. So left leg up onto your groin. You can use the support. Make sure you can keep it anywhere apart from the knee, because knee is a joint. Don't want to hurt the knee. So your thighs, your calf or your ankle as well. Slowly, this is the ideal position where you should tuck into your groin. Namaskar, Dhruvasana. Hands up, Vrukshasana. Stay here for 2 breaths. Hands wide, the banyan tree or mango tree, the one which gives lots of shade. So big tree. 2 breaths. Hands back to the normal Vrukshasana. 2 breaths. Down onto your solar plex. Legs down. Now sit onto the Vajrasana, kneeling position. We will do the camel pose. Keep your toes together. Keep your body straight. Your right hand onto your right heel. Left hand onto left. And head back. Chest out. And then this is the camel pose, Ustrasana. We'll stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is very good. It's like opening our chest, heart. Slowly come up. Now bring your left leg in front, 90 degree, right leg back. Again, right hand onto your heel and left hand up. This is extended camel pose, Ustrasana variations. Look towards your fingers of the hand which is up. 2 breaths. Slowly come back to normal. Get your left leg back. Now your right leg in front. Nice angle between your front, 90 degree, and left. Left hand onto your heel. Right hand up. And look onto your fingers of the right hand which is up. 2 breaths. Slowly down. Back to the Vajrasana. Sit onto Vajrasana nicely. We'll just do a child pose. Spread your knees, big toe together. Breathe in, breathe out, and slowly go down. No need to stretch. Keep your wrist close to your knees, your elbows close to your knees. Forehead onto the floor, palms onto the floor. We'll stay here for 5 breaths. Two more breaths. Okay. Keep your hands in front only. I'll tell your distance from your knee. Keep your arm, your the palm of the other arm. So there you can keep your hands like this, the palm completely open onto your knees. We'll just try to do a knee push-up, but this time you can keep your knees together. But I want your toes up. See if you can do 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep your toes down, spread your knees. We'll just do cat and cow, Majrasana. So first breathe in, cow position. Nice cow from head to lower spine. Breathe out, cat. Nice cow, your shoulders blade also up. Breathe in, cow. Breathe out, up, cat. One more last time, we'll do both. Breathe in, hold it for some time. Breathe out, cat. Okay, we'll go on to our back. You can first sit on your knees up, hands keep it parallel to the floor, and we'll do boat and canoe pose. So Naukasana and Ardha Naukasana. So this is Naukasana, and then you can spread. This is full Naukasana. This is Ardha Naukasana. Okay, so come into this position, Ardha Naukasana, half boat pose, then full boat. So here for 2 breaths. Again half boat. Legs up, hands parallel to the floor. Naukasana. Ardha Naukasana. Boat pose. Half boat or canoe pose. We'll do one more time both. Naukasana. Ardha Naukasana. Slowly keep your legs down. Hands here. Just sit cross-legged if you can to start with. Deep breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now if you can, do the Padmasana, lotus pose. See, at least do one leg lock. If you can't do 2, but stay like this. Sit first for 2 breaths, hands onto your knee. Back straight, head straight, 2 breaths. You can keep your eyes closed if you can. We'll do the Parvatasana, seated Parvatasana, hands parallel to the floor. Then join your hands up, Namaskar. Pull yourself up, your arms, head straight, look straight. Nice stretch to your back, entire back, your spine basically, backbone, your shoulder joints up, pulled up. Hands parallel to the floor. And then Namaskar. Just stay here for two more breaths. Namaskar onto your solar plex. Okay. Slowly hands down. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Okay. You can just relax for 30 seconds. We'll move on to the pranayam. You can be in this position or sukhasana, whichever way you are comfortable with. Make sure you are into ease now. Just get back your breath. Keep breathing in, breathing out. So you can stay in the lotus pose or easy pose, cross-legged, whichever way you are comfortable. We will start with Bhastrika, the pumping accent.
Ajay, your mic is causing some feedback.
Mic is causing feedback.
Your mic, yeah. Your headset. Yeah, it's better. That's better.
Okay, thanks. So yeah, just come into your normal easy pose. I'll be sitting like this, but it's up to you how you want to sit. Fist near your chest, near your shoulder. With breathe in,
Sorry,
hands
Ajay.
up.
Sorry, Ajay, your mic is feedbacking, causing feedback again.
Okay, so can you mute this?
Can you take one of them? Have you got?
Yeah, it's off only, one of them app. So mute the mobile, I'll unmute this one. Mute on mobile. Can you mute on mobile?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay. Okay. So hands near your chest, fist position, and we'll do Bhastrika, pumping one. So up and breathe in, down breathe out. We'll do fast as you can, but deep breathe in, deep breathe out. 10 to 15 times. Kuru. Last time. Slowly hands down to your knees. Normal breathing, breathe out if you need to, or just hold it for some time. You can keep your eyes closed. We'll start with Omkar. So deep breathing. And and Ma. Breathing. Last time breathing. Normal breathing, breathe out. Next one we'll do Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is you breathe in first and then exhale continuously 1 per second. Only thing moving is your tummy. No other part of the body should be moving. Breathe in. You can use your palms as well to push in. If you need breathe in, then just breathe in and start again. Normal breathing method. Next one we will do Anulom Vilom. So make the Vayu Mudra. Vayu Mudra is your index finger tucked into your thumb. Hold your right nostril with your right thumb. Breathe in from your left. Close your left nostril with middle finger. Breathe out from your right. Breathe in from your right again. Close your right nostril. Breathe out from left. This is one cycle. We'll do 2 more cycles at your own pace. When you're done, hands down. Normal breathing without. Now we'll do Brahmari, the humming sound. So close your ears, your eyes, your mouth, breathe in from your nose. And when you're exhaling, say humming sound. Ma, breathing. Breathing. Let your hands down onto your knees. Normal breathing without. Join your arms, hands up, brush your palms, let them warm. Make a cup onto your eyes, onto your face. Massage onto your eyes slowly. Then your forehead, then your side of the forehead. Open your eyes and back of the neck. And namaste. Thanks a lot for joining the yoga session. Dhanyawad.